Module 2, Working with CSS Selectors and Properties. Welcome to Beidat IT Training. In Module 2, we'll explore the power of CSS selectors and properties. You'll learn how to use various selectors, including class, ID, and attribute selectors, to target specific HTML elements. For example, a class selector can be used to style multiple elements. CSS. Highlight. Background color, yellow. An ID selector is used for unique elements. CSS. #unique. Font size, 20px. Practical examples will show you how to highlight elements and style unique elements with ID selectors. Exercises will help you practice using these selectors, and a lab project will guide you in creating a styled web page using various selectors. An interactive quiz will test your knowledge. By the end of this module, you'll be proficient in using CSS selectors and properties to style your web pages. Let's dive into the world of CSS selectors.